today we're going to talk about personalization. Personalization here are preset rules or conditions that appear in certain circumstances or to certain people that will visit your website. This could be a notification bar on your site for people from a certain location, maybe business locals, or a pop-up which shows at certain hours of the day or certain verbiage customers for first-time customers or repeat customers of your site. It's an extra way to add engagement to your site and personalize the user's visit to your website. On our left panel here, let's click on personalize, and here we can see a collection of rules. Rules are based with a condition of a website, and they are about personalization, something that happens if a certain condition occurs. You can build your own by clicking on new rule. You can also looking at any of these if you're new to this. These are pre-existing ones, like pop-ups, for example, special promotions, visitor targeting by location, notification bars, special events, campaign URLs, and so much more. Let's look at notification bar. Okay, here we go. So our first window will be to establish the rule, and let's click on rule trigger at the bottom. Right now we can see it's set to display at a certain time, but in rule triggers we can set it to anything for device, a specific device, certain locations, accessing the site, certain time, as we currently have, certain visit, i.e. the first visit, the fifth visit, etc., or access by a campaign URL. If we leave this on time, then we can go up here and edit it. So we can select the date. If it's not all day, then uncheck this and configure the start and end time. You can click here to make it reoccur if it's supposed to happen regularly. As you can see, you have a lot of control here to personalize this notification bar to specific users. Let's click next. Now we have a section where we can design the bar. So let's enter a text like "Don't miss our sale," and you can change the color, font, size, all kind of good stuff. If we click into settings, we can configure if it displays on just the home page or all pages. You can delay the notification, you can hide it after a certain time, all kinds of good stuff. Feel free to preview the rule and you will see it generate at the top right there, so you can see how it looks. And then we can click back to return to the design. Pretty amazing. Let's click next. And the last window allows us to name the rule and finalize it. And once it's published, you can review it in real time in the browser and track the performance here. So that's a little about personalization about your website. It's quite powerful. It can really set your website apart.